So far, all the procedure for KEIL was for doing the Freedom K22, but some of you have Freedom K64s. So what you're going to do is have the same program here, but using the Freedom K64 board. And if you set this up the wrong way, you can always go over here, add a board, add the Freedom K64, and just double click here to make sure it's going to compile for the Freedom K64. As before, we can right mouse click here, export program, and make sure this time it says Freedom K64, Microvision again, export, save file. Up here, right mouse click, open containing folder, right mouse click, extract all, set it up to browse to our KEIL subdirectory, say select folder, and extract. Now as before, we can just double click here and click on the KEIL folder here to launch KEIL, this time with the Freedom K64. Now it'll probably put us into the installer here. If not, you can go to Projects, Manage, and go to Installer, Packs. And what we want to do at this time, switch to boards. And we're going to switch to the board FRDM-K64. And we're going to click on the top one here, go to Devices, and double click here. And it's going to come up here with the one that we need here. And all we have to do is install this top one. So we're going to click on Install. Installed, it'll say up to date, and at this point we can get out of this. Once the packs are installed, this time we're going to go to here and compile or rebuild, and again it should say 0 errors, and at this time we're going to have to change the flash just a little bit. So we're going to configure our flash tools, and this time our device target is going to be the Freedom K64, which is a K series, and it should have actually selected the MK64 FN1M0XXX12 here, and then we can actually go to debugger. It's got SimSysDeb. We can go to settings. It's already got any, so we're going to change that to SimSysDeb, and we're going to say OK, and then we're going to go here to start the debug process, and it should load everything in for us. Now we should be able to go through all the stuff as before. Now most of these things we're going to do, we're going to set a breakpoint right at the start of main. And then we're going to actually go, we've got two options here. We can run to the breakpoint, and then we can step over to see what's going on here. Step over, step over. If we go back here to reset, then we can run to that breakpoint again and do this as many times as we want. So the differences between the Freedom K22 and the K64 are just in terms of the packs that you have to load in and to make sure that you export to the Freedom K64.